What is a root port? So you can see the definition. Root port is the best path to reach the root bridge. Means from the every switch point of view, you can see this is my switch. So which is the best path? By this way I can reach to this one root bridge, or by this one I can reach to the root bridge. So this root port is going to be give the switch point of view, which path, which link is going to be actually your best path to reach the root bridge. Now understand how this link cost is going to be, how the link path is going to be calculated. So this is the formula you have to remember, how the STP is going to calculate the cost. So let's suppose this is the link. Just forget about this Gbps for time being. Just forget about that. Whatever the Mbps, Gbps written here. Let's suppose I'm sitting, let's suppose one PC is here, or might be the switch is here, and they want to communicate with the root bridge for the any kind of the communication. Then this path is going to become, means this port is going to become root port, or this port is going to become a root port. How this calculation is going to be happen, that we have to understand. So you have to remember the link bandwidth. What is the link bandwidth? The link connected from this way, and this way. So this way and this way. So whatever the lowest link bandwidth available on this link, I mean this path. Let's suppose this is your 100 Mbps. Okay, 100 Mbps. This is your 1 Gbps, right? This is your 1 Gbps. So what is the cost for this path? So for 100 Mbps, might be you're going to get 19 cost. Okay, this is the 19. And you have the 1 Gbps, you have the 4. This is the also 4. So the cost of this path to reach the root bridge is going to 19 plus 4 plus 4. It is going to be 27, right? This is going to be total cost. But let's suppose this path we have the 1 Gbps link here, 1 Gbps link here. This means 1 Gbps link only. So what is going to happen? The 4 and 4. So total cost is going to be your 8. So if you calculate from this point of view, this port is going to become your root port. You understand the meaning of root port. Root port is basically going from switch point of view. It is going to tell which port, which path is going to best to reach the root bridge. That's why it is going to select on every non-root switch. Means this calculation is going to happen on the switch. It is not going to happen on the root bridge. By default, root bridge, every port is going to be designated port by default. So that's why every non-root switch, means this is a non-root switch, this is a non-root switch, this is non-root. These all must having a root port. See, this have a root port, this have a root port, this have a root port, this have a root port. This is where it is going to be selected.